Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor baminta kasngi. Unong tho khubor barim but President barim ke Shillong Press Club uba Island West Kharkongor ula besut yala di Shikaseng National People Party min haka Lifeway Turik Urisau ha office NPP Shillong. Ya uba Island West Kharkongor lepdang buram de ukonrat ke sangma President rangba ke NPP ya kabalaya don lang uba Preston Tinsong Vice President State President Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi MP Rajya Sabha bar kinong kit kam ka party. Ya uba Island West Kharkongor lasan ran nang daki nong but nong ram habayo ban priang buram ya uba Island West Kharkongor ya gabala penna sundon ban nong ukertong ban ya aireng syaka election arhajar arfulai da u president rangba ka party u konrad kisangma. U Island West udai na pedeng ginong thokot khubor ubala rim bat unong kentiu ya kakam jengok kai perthei ha kajela khamtham hathan sora. Utai urangba udai ubayalam ya ka Kinhundawa district ya ka Sora civil subdivision. U Konrad kisang maha ka jing priang buram ya u Island West Kharkongor ula ai jing sngongu ya u ba udon ha ka yeng ka sem NPP. Kathong jong ka NPP ka long ban job ya ka election ban sinshar marwe. U Konrad kisang ma ula raskong bat put turoi syapang uba Island West Kharkongor lingba ka kam syakri ya ka jingjengok kai perthei hajela bat Sora. Kajingwan rung uba Island kadailing bagi kam syakri penkut u Konrad kisangma.
Thanking for doing that and for accepting me to the NPP family. So I'll speak in Khasi if you don't mind, because the audience in Pajba everyone nanong kendong yasing nang keren ka paring pinumi sungtu. Haji Syam neki ong nga welcome nga ong patlong takata. Kidiban ong welcome back. Nani tu hana if you lihat house nam arhajar pra. Ngade uwe ni member jong ka NCP. Hakpor jong lead PA sangma. Dr. Kharlukhi nga traffic ma. Ngade uwe ni member gi barium gi betre stom ha gitu gi por. Ngarung ha ka NPP gitu gi por ngade bisurung kulmar. There was this great leader, national leader, late Puno Esangma. Somehow he draws me. Hakajing ikan dua pun ni riu khrau jong kari. Si ong yang aku ni, because he came back to state politics. Setiap balai one pie sa state politics. O ngala long Lok Sabha speaker, ngala long union minister, ngala long MP kata sin, dang apit ya record dang kastir, te ngasi sumuleran, maka hiar sapo. O ngawan pai biang sakat state politics banirap ya kejelaban, kiu shalor. Tengah try Dr. Kharlukhi mga ganyan menjuri kata bangi kemerung kulmat, nrengi iya ka image yang uniu. The great leader of the country, Liet Purno Esangma. Setiap niya mulai a vision, bakraw ba? He wanted to unite the tribal community of India. Wala daw ito hanaba nga. Kung idan Shibon, ki tribal for India, nakuha ban unite yaki, and he did fight for the election of president on the basis of banpen sarong banpen kraw ya kani ka tribal community for India bro ko. Unfortunately he could not win. Naging tristom jong we have the first tribal president in India now. Kinga arong parti ng jurong kulmar arong namtakikam
candidates, and in most of them we have even announced them, and soon we will be announcing the rest of the candidates who we haven't announced, but 58 constituencies as of now, we have identified our candidates. And that's a huge jump from what we had in the last election and what we have today. And this is a clear indication and a clear message that the people of Meghalaya, the leaders of Meghalaya today are looking towards NPP as a party that they believe in, a party that has proven itself in the last 4.5 years to be able to take the state forward and more importantly take up issues that were very critical to our people. They were not taken up in the past. But this government has taken those steps forward and moving it to the right conclusion. And that has led to the confidence building in the people, and that is why today we are seeing this kind of response in this particular election, where hundreds and thousands of people and other leaders from other political parties also today are leaving their political party and are joining the National People's Party.